I've known Chris Boyce well over 20 years. The first time I met Chris was when he was working here at Big O, and he did a lift on a truck that I had. He did a great job, and we got along real well, and buys the store, and I keep coming to the store, and we become friends. So I've done everything here at Big O, from tires and wheels to halogen headlights, bumpers, just anything connected with my trucks I have done here. So when I come here to Big O, I get what they tell me I'm going to get. I walk through the door, I get a smile. If I'm not sure of what I want, they help me figure out what the best thing's going to be. If I know what I want, they give me exactly what I want. If you walk in here, it's clean, it's organized. Are they friendly? Do they take the time to understand what it is I'm really trying to get to? That all happens. Is it ready when they say it's going to be ready? Yes. If it's not going to be, do they call? Yes. Well, I've been coming here for 20 years, over 20 years now, because they do what they say they're going to do. That's why I'm loyal. And customer service is #1 with these people. So Big O's for me.